it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we have another dupe video. We're starting them early this year because we have so many good ones in 2019, but today we're doing a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. Alter Ego just released their Temptress palette, which was inspired by the Sultry palette. So if you are interested to see how these match up and go head to head and how I got this sultry Temptress look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, we are starting dupes early this year because there are so many out there, but I was actually sent a dupe. How exciting! So Alter Ego sent me a Temptress palette. Now Alter Ego is a new company and they offer dupes for high-end eyeshadow palettes, and the Temptress palette was inspired by the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and so we are going to put them to the test today to see if it really is as high quality and as pigmented and as everything that Alter Ego says it is. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette retails for $45. The Alter Ego Temptress palette retails for $16. I will put the link in my description box below. I believe it's shopalterego.com, and I actually have a discount code that you can use, Kirby, at checkout for 15% off. They're also doing for a limited time free shipping and 2 free brushes with your order. So there's that as well. Who doesn't love free shipping? We're putting these to the test today, and they both come with 14 colors. These are the outer packages. If you don't already know, this is what the Sultry packet looks like, super glittery. This is what the Temptress packaging for the boxes looks like. These are what the palettes themselves look like, the same as their boxes, inside and out. What I will say, as I was doing some research for this video, you actually get more product in the Temptress Alter Ego palette. So on the back, I like to kind of tell everybody how much you get. In the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, you get 0.83 grams or 0.029 ounces per each eyeshadow. In the Alter Ego, if I did my math correctly, this says that the net weight is 18.5 grams and 0.653 ounces. Divide that by 14 because there's 14 eyeshadows. You get 1.32 grams each, or 0.046 ounces each. Now, if that is specifically talking about the eyeshadow, then you get more product in the Temptress Alter Ego palette, which is pretty cool. There's also, as I said before, a $29 savings, which is huge in terms of eyeshadows. Let's open them up. So these are what the these are what the palettes look like side by side. Pretty identical. So in the Anastasia Beverly Hills, you get a brush. Alter Ego actually sent me 2 brushes. One is like a really fluffy paddle domey, and the other is like a crease brush. And I believe that these would be the 2 that you get in the free shipping and 2 free brushes upon your order for their like launch. So these are the palettes. They look basically the same. So what we're going to do now is swatch them, and I'm going to swatch them on different arms and then hold them up to see what these guys swatch like on my arms. So give me just a second. So these are how they swatch side by side. This one is the Temptress palette, and this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and honestly, I am not noticing that big of a difference in the swatches. Also, they both didn't have a lot of fallout, which was also really nice. A lot of times when you find the dupe palette will tend to be a little bit more dusty, but honestly, everything seems to swatch the same, literally the exact same, down to shimmers, mattes. This is probably by far the best dupe that I've done so far, but honestly, I'm blown away by the quality that the Temptress Alter Ego palette is compared to the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now for the wear test. I'm going to prep my eyes with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows off camera, which my eyebrows are having a little bit of an identity crisis again, so bear with me. I'm gonna use the Alter Ego brushes that they sent me, mainly because I want to see how these interact with eyeshadows to begin with. They're very, very, very soft, so I'm very excited to kind of see how these go. We're going to do the Temptress Alter Ego palette on this side and the Anastasia Beverly Hills on this side, because I think that is the true test of a good dupe, is if you can wear them side by side and can't tell the difference. So we're going to go into the Alter Ego Temptress palette with Uptown, and I'm going to use the larger, fluffier, paddlier brush for this, and I'm going to put that like in/above my crease. Then I'm going to take After Hours on that same like fluffy paddle brush, but I'm going to use the like domey part, and I'm going to put that in my crease. So these brushes pick up pigment unbelievably well. Also, I just dipped into After Hours right there, and I'm not getting a bunch of fallout from the Temptress Alter Ego palette, which again is a really good sign, because a lot of times with dupe products, you notice that they tend to get a little bit more dusty quickly and there's a lot more fallout. But with this palette, using the brushes, I'm not noticing that much fallout. So I'm taking that After Hours and I'm putting it in my crease. And I'm taking the round buffer brush and I'm going to go into Lace with a little bit of Lust, and I'm going to kind of blend that out. So for this look, I really kind of want it to be more on like the smoky side. I want to bring out that like Temptress feel, if you will. So if it gets dark, bear with me. They're blending unbelievably well. Like, I'm very surprised. I didn't set my eyes, I just kind of went in with the color. So I am very, very surprised at kind of like how easily they're blending together. Bear with me because, like I said, I really want to make this like smoky. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of stiletto, tiny bit on this round buffer from Alter Ego, and I am going to punch that on the outside of my eye. We're gonna do a traditional half cut crease, because would it really be a look on my channel if I didn't do a half cut crease? Probably not. And I'm gonna get a new brush because those are dirty. And I'm going to go in Champagne. It's like a pinky sparkle, and I think that's where I want to go with this look. That's not the right brush. I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm feeling good about that. So I'm going to now replicate that on this side with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we'll see how this goes. So I'm using the same brush that I used on the Alter Ego Temptress palette, and if you can see in, what is this, Dystopian, there's actually quite a bit of breakup in the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, which is a little surprising for the higher end palette. Alright, I'm going to now go and apply some liner lashes, finish the rest of my face so we can do the lower lash line, and we will be back for some final thoughts. Alright, so finished the face, added lashes, just a little bit of liner, didn't do a wing because there's kind of like, oh my gosh, my chair. There's already like an illusion of a wing, so I didn't want to go like crazy. So now we're gonna finish this lower lash line. And I don't know what I want to do, so please bear with me. Bear with me. You know what I think we're gonna do? We're gonna take this Morphe Y21 and I'm gonna dip into stiletto on the alter ego side of things. And I'm just gonna press that along my lower lash line to give like the effect of a liner. Only going in like halfway. Then I'm going to take this Luxie 141 mini round and I'm going to go into Uptown and I'm gonna kind of buff that out just very gently just to smoke it out a little bit. And then going into the ABH, same colors, different names, same colors. Finish it off with some mascara. And I still have to highlight the brow bone because I didn't do that. Go figure. I'm gonna highlight the inner corner and the brow bone with Seduction. This is on the alter ego side with a e.l.f. crease brush or blending brush. I don't know what. And then Pearl on the ABH side. Some setting spray. And there we have it, people. This is the look. Used 2 different palettes. Can you tell though? Can you tell that I used 2 different palettes for this look? The answer is no. You friggin' can't. Okay, so let us again really quickly recap. Temptress is made by Alter Ego, which is a dupes brand for high-end eyeshadow palettes. They created the Temptress palette. It was inspired by the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. This is what they look like. You get more product in the Alter Ego product, as we said previous in the video, by like a lot. So you're getting more product. The pans are bigger. They both come with mirrors. They both magnet shut. This is what they look like. They're the exact same. This is what they swatched like. They're the exact same. The only difference is that this is $16 and this is $45. As I've said, I've done a lot of dupe videos. I love a good dupe. Love a good dupe. And I've done a lot of good dupe videos, but honestly, this has to be like by far one of the like best dupes that I've done. So, let me know what you think in the comment section below. As I stated before, Alter Ego did send me this palette to review it for you. For my honest review, this is an honest to goodness review. You saw me apply the eyeshadow. I didn't do anything fancy or anything like that. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you like dupes? Don't you like dupes? Let me know what you think about this look. I'm living for it. I'm here for this. I will put Shop Alter Ego down below, so if you are interested in the Temptress palette for $16, be sure to use my discount code Kirby to get 15% off. Also, for a limited time, they're doing free shipping, and you get 2 free brushes with your purchase. So if you use the 15% off coupon code and you get the free shipping, your order will be $13.60 plus tax depending on like where you live for an eyeshadow palette as well as 2 brushes. That's pretty good. So I will put all of that in the description box below so you can check it out if you so choose. If you enjoyed this video, give a big old thumbs up to let me know that you like dupe videos. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review, tutorial, or dupe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.